Hello. Yeah, we're welcome back to my stream. Yep. Well, for this time, we're just gonna do something unique. I don't know if this is unique or I don't know if you guys know this game, but this game is actually pretty known because it is recommended for what do you call that again? For aspiring programmers or future programmers, or if you are a person who wants to know more about programming, etc. And you're really hard up in learning programming stuff. Yeah, so I really suggest this game. It's actually called Blockly Games. You can just search it in the internet and just type. I think I yeah, you just type Blockly Games, and you'll reach this link, Blockly.games. Well, actually, the game actually saves your progress. So as you can see, I already done the maze game or the maze part, and it no matters if you just reload your browser or finish your continue the other games the next time. The browser, the website will save your progress, no worries. So right now we're just gonna go do the puzzle part, right? Why is it not working? But yeah, we're done with the maze. Okay. So for each animal green, attach its picture, choose its number of legs, and make a stack of traits. Okay, so that seems easy enough, right? Anyway, so snail. Later I'm gonna try to comment a little bit more, okay? But as you can already see, it's like giving you the logic, or yeah, it's already training your brain to think logically, because that is important in programming, right? How many legs does a snail have? Zero. Or how many legs does a bee have? Six. So a cat has whiskers, a cat has fur, a bee has a stinger, and slimy feathers, beak, honey. Yeah, it's also that, and that's there. See? Well, for now, it's just easy task or easy puzzles, but as we progress, it will become harder. Yeah, just like in the maze part. Anyways, check answers. Yay! Oh god, that's a little bit loud. Yeah, so that's done. Wait, that's that? That's the puzzle. But yeah, the maze, we actually finished the maze, so we're gonna go to the bird. What's this? Make the bird get the worm and land on her nest. So it's the 90 degrees, right? I don't get it. So you can just test actually. Oh, okay. But you get the point, right? I mean, it's training your brain to think, Yeah. See, it actually gives you some codes, because yeah, it is in JavaScript. Oh, wait, I think you have another term for Blockly. Wait, let me do a quick Google search so you guys can. I can give you a full detail, right? Is it Scratch? Do you call it Scratch? Blockly. Oh fuck. Well, what is Blockly used for? Blockly is a library that adds visual code editor mobile apps. See? Yeah, it's like blocks which represents codes, concepts like variables. And in the game, Yeah, in the game we're like, you know, we're just solving puzzles here. So in a sense, we're already doing programming, but for this part, we're just doing the analysis part. You get what I mean? Anyways, yeah, that's that. Anyways, let's go into let's finish. Oh, the puzzle. Ah. So this block here is an if do else. I mean, or in other words, if else statement. You get it? I mean, yeah, it's an if else statement. So doing that does not have worm. Let's just run that. If the duck doesn't have the worm, had 90 degrees. I think had 0. Yeah, that's done, right? So we will do. I mean, so what will the duck do if it has the worm? It would head 90 degrees. Let's just try it. We can do a trial and error here, of course. There we go. You get it? Yay, you saw the level with 5 lines of JavaScript. See? It's like we're doing the program itself. The only thing is we're solving puzzles which has figures. Okay, so what would we do here? Can we first go? I mean, does not have the worm. Keep going. Keep going down. Oh wait, we can actually direct it, have it directly go there to where the worm is, right? See? Oh, okay, so a bit of a miscomputation there. Anyways, let's go here again. Maybe that one. That's right. We missed. Maybe that one. 300. And then 120. Holy crap. So no, cause I thought we're gonna be in the point of view of the dock, so I kinda set it to 120. So we're gonna set it to about 60. I think 60 about is good, right? There we go. And we finished. See that? See that? That's a JavaScript code. Yay! We're already training ourselves to do programming again. Fuck my life. Anyway, so what's next? What the fudge is this? X is your current horizontal position. Is this walk? To go in one heading if X is less than the numbers or a different heading otherwise. What? I don't get it. Can we just try that one? What does that do? What does these do? Oh god. Yeah, I didn't get the definition very well, so let's try that again. Uh, what? If X is greater than 50, what the fuck does that do? To head 90? I don't get it. So what's X? X axis then Y axis? Is that correct? Ooh, the dog is dead. So if Y is greater than 50, head. That's agree. Oh, sorry for that, guys. My god, I just feel really sleepy at this time of day. Oh, we're looking at this one. So what's the x-axis? The one below, right? So if x, what about the calculation? Is less than 50, less than 80. That should be 80. 80 at 0. Okay, else head downwards. Oh yeah, we're good. See that? Okay, next task. Click the icon to modify the block. Drag an else block into the if block. Into the if block. Oh shit, there we go. Oh, you can do that. Okay. If the value, what? So we can insert an if else. Anyways, okay, so get this one. If y, if y is greater than 20, to head downwards. Try that. Else head 180. Let's try that one. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Finished. That is finished. Okay. Needs both an else if and an else block. Uh, else if and an else block. Hmm. Hmm. If it does not have the worm, head about that one. Okay, that's too low. Oh, wait. Is that good or do we need to adjust some more? 345. Else if, yeah, we need to add this value. Else if x is greater than 80, what you would do now is head up north. Okay. I think 2 else if would be great here. So else if y is greater than 79, you're gonna head to the left. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Head 90. What? Okay. Okay. How do we do this exactly? So if x is greater than 80, head to 90. About let's do that to 79. It's gonna head to 345 if it doesn't have a worm. Okay, so I think we just need to reform our if here. Can I put two if? Yeah, because I think I need two if here. What do you guys think? Two else if. Um, um, would it help if we put that first? And then this one would be put there, run program. Okay. Oh, there we go. Level 7. We're progressing very fast here. That's good. So we must have the worm first. We must find it first, right? So about 40. I think it's best to use an if else here. If it does not have the worm. I mean, yeah, I think this could be good. Head about this one. And then that we're gonna evaluate is the y. If y is less than 40, uh oh shit, you're dead. I think that's a bit too low. Wait, it's not doing going to the if else block. If y, I mean, cause it's still in the. I think we don't need this, right? What we need is this one. Huh? At 255. Else if? Okay, it's not triggering the else if. Cause we really need the y. I mean, I think it's correct that we're using the y axis there, right? Uh, huh. Maybe let's try to use the x-axis. If the x-axis, is it because it still doesn't have the worm? Possibly. Yeah, it won't. If x is less than 40, let's change that to greater. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, so it stops right there. That's good. That's good. And else if it doesn't have the worm, we can we trigger it now? What? Okay, I see. Cause it when it's gonna head 315, it will trigger the other if. So can we put an else there? Yeah, that's the reason why I want the does not have the worm trigger first actually. Let's go and try that again. Yeah, it's really not gonna trigger the X. So I need X to be there. Uh, can we try that one more time? And then if X, or can it be Y, right? Can, if Y is less than, no, it's greater than, and then X less than 40. I don't get it. Or should we use the does not have the worm? It will still trigger, right? So does not have the worm. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Now we got it. So in the else part, we just need to direct it towards the nest. That's it. I think we're done here. Hopefully. Fuck my life. Is it good? Holy shit. Yeah. So you can see it again that it actually provides you the JavaScript code. But this kind, I mean, this is not the code, like the exact code that when you copy paste it in whatever your compiler is or editor or IDE, whatever is, it would run immediately. Of course, it's just presenting you like it's presenting you the idea. You get it? Because this is a function, right? And if you just type that without declaring the function or without creating the function, it would be an error in programming. So yeah, you get the point. I mean, it this game is just giving you a review or yeah, a review before you go to programming. I mean, it's like setting your fucking brain to do the programming, because in programming it's actual critical thinking. Now look at this problem. It looks like I'm gonna fuck off my life. I mean, yeah, the end block is true only if both in its inputs are true. Oh my god, what am I doing with my life? So anyways, yeah, you can see here the y-axis, the x-axis, so this would be computation. Oh god, computation, whatever. So let's just put it there, right? So if we're, of course, I think I already get the idea of when are we gonna use it. I think we're gonna use it for an x-axis, for the x and y-axis, right? So we have the x-axis there, and next is we have the y-axis. So you might ask, how are you gonna use it though? Well, let's run it. Oh shucks, I forgot the action. Uh, you're gonna head there, and this should be, yeah, totally less than. See, it moves, and it will stop. Yep, right there. So if it will stop right there, let's set it somewhere there. Will stop. I think that's the middle. Yeah, that's the middle. So let's add an else. Oh god. I think an else for now, right? Let's just use else for now. Maybe for sure later we're gonna use an if else. Our first, I mean, let's just aim to get the worm first before we progress. Okay, think that would be good. This would get the worm already. Yeah, and then now it's gonna kill itself anyway. So we need the else if, remove this else, put that else if there, and then we the action is already called good. So there, come on, faster bird, fly. Yay, so it will stop there if it has the worm already, right? Oh my god, I am totally gonna fuck up my life. So the next thing that we will do is we I mean it's actually good we put the duck to the center again, right? So let's go do that. Else if I think we're gonna use this again. And remember its position, right? So let's put the x axis side you. Oh wait, did we do it? No, we did not. We just replaced the end. Oh fudge. No, no, no. I want the x-axis first. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, it could still be the same, if you put the y-axis first. But what? Sorry, I'm just choosy, okay? So what's the location of the x-axis? I think that's 80, right? That's 80. Or what's the center? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's just revert the symbols here. So if that is true, you will go back to where you came from. Like going back, I think that's 135. Let's try the program. I mean, yeah, the code, whatever. Now, okay, so it okay, so the y-axis is not greater than 50. That's why it's not going back. And there we go. It will now go back to the center. Yep. So finally, you would go towards the nest. Let's try the program one more time. Think we already finished it. Yeah, there we go. Yep, yep, yep. That's done. So level 9. Oh my god. Level 9, guys. Level 9. Can we actually do a speed run here? So I think for sure we'll need the if. Hmm. Yeah, I think we still need to consider the x and the y now. I think for this one we can just consider the x. If x is, I mean, if x is greater than 20, keep heading forward. Let's see if it will stop around here. Okay, that's good. Else, if it doesn't have the worm, keep heading downwards, right? So downwards, run the program. Uh, there we go. So we just need another else if actually at this time. So else if um hmm we can just do another x here, and else if x is less than 50, I think it's better to consider the y here, and then x is less than 60, because our aim is for the duck to go at this place right here. So if that is true, you will head 90 degrees. You will head up, right? Up, then Okay, we need another if else actually. What? No, 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 no. There we go. So another if else. That if it stops here, it would need to go here, then down there. So about two else if, right? Or the last one can be an else. Anyways, let's just focus on this for now. So if the x-axis is greater than 50, that should be less. Oh, that's greater than. That should be less than 60. Yeah, 60. Case head 90 degrees. No, head 0. I think that's good. I think we can land here, somewhere around here. Okay. Okay, you will now go back and then go right. Go right. Oh God, why? Oh no. I have two if statements that is like contracting each other. So if x is greater than 2, in search of followers, primes, and views, come on to big follows. Yeah, sorry for that XF people man 15, but I'm gonna need to pass. But feel free to follow me though. I mean, I actually rejected a lot of offers, but yeah, thank you for the offer again. Anyway, so it would be stuck around here because yeah, the only thing that we need to do there is add an end, place at that there, and then we can set the Y among us. Yeah, we can go among us. Can we? Wait, there an update for among us? Among us, among us. Steam, right? Steam. Serial bin, you might see my. Anyway, oh, link to my GitHub. Fuck you. Yeah, it's the update Steam again. Anyways, back to the problem. Y is greater than. No, what the fuck? We're not here to skip, boy. We're here to accomplish every motherfudging level. Really think this is a challenge, you punk? Okay, good. I think there would still be an error. Yeah, I knew it. Wait, heading 0? That would be right. Okay. I think we need to put another end here. Another end? Yeah, I think it's better to use the end here. And then x value and a y value, right? So x is greater than 50. Oh look, Steam is here. Oh, update. Yeah, there's an update. Yay, there's an update for Among Us. Yeah, I think we can play again later. Can we actually see what's the update specifically? No. Yeah, no, we don't. No, can't. No, can't. Yeah, the update is finished. Oh look, there's an update for the other games that I play. Warframe. I never actually played this game. I installed it because yeah, my laptop can try it. I don't know. Anyways, for today's piece of crap, y is greater than 50. Yes. What? If x is greater than 20 and Y. Oh, Y is less than, so Y should be greater than. Add 120. Head down. South, sorry. Head back up. Oh no, there's still. How do you do this? Okay, we can set this to 55. For the X is less than 60. I think that's good, right? Okay, let's see it now. Ah, there's still. It's still stuck. I don't get it. Why? X is greater than. I think we just need to change the values here. X is greater than 60. Huh. X is greater than 60. And then next is. And Y is greater than 50. That's correct, right? You still head forward. Oh god, no. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're kind of stuck here now. I think hmm, there's no equal sign here, so we really have to depend on greater than or less than. Anyways, X is okay, so it's not greater than 6. Yeah, greater than 60. Hmm, if X is greater than 60 and Y is greater than, yeah, X is greater than 60. But if it will reach here, it would not be greater than 60 anymore, right? So this should be 20. And then, and Y is greater than 60 also. I think it should be 60. Try that one. Yes, it will go down. Else if X is less than 60. Hey, it just worked. It just worked. What the fuck? So else block, which we just need to target to the nest right there. Yeah, I think we're just done here for the ninth level. So next is the level 10. Okay, okay. What? Okay, okay. So you just need to get the position of the duck when it reaches somewhere around here. So we can create another if and block, right? Oh fuck. So that's 60 and 50. 60 and 50. So a 60 and a 50. Hmm. If it's a 60 and a 50, wouldn't it be same with this one? Because imagine this 60. 60 and a 50. Let's try less than less than 60. Hopefully this will work. Okay. Oh shit, we didn't add any action. Anyways, head towards 315. I think this would work, right? There we go. Come on. Oh no. So it wouldn't do anything. So on X greater than 50, and then on the Y it's less than. Can we try that one? Does not have our. Okay. God, it doesn't execute this one. About if we try to, if it is less than 80, and then the y-axis is also less than 80. I think that's just a wild guess, right? What? Do they execute? Okay, they are both gonna execute. Hmm. Because I need to use the full if. I can't just place it here. Yeah. I have to use an if block. Ah. So if it's gonna be an else if. I don't get it. Anyways. So else if the placing of the dock will be here. I can't even place an if because that won't work. So heading 315. Hopefully this works. What the fuck? Why does it do that? Because x is greater than 20. That is true. Y is greater than 60. That is not true. X is less than 60. Don't know what's the value of x here. Oh yeah, that is true also. And y is greater than 55, which is also true. I don't get it. It's going back and forth. Do I need to do? Think yeah, we just need to rearrange the else ifs that we're using. So let's go ahead and try that, right? So x and then and the y. Because if this won't work, we just have to cut the other end conditions. Oh god, I'm so sleepy. It's sleep after this one. Anyways, uh, if x is greater than 60 and y is greater than 40, head over to 315. But this doesn't execute. Oh, because I think it's not in the 60. It's about 50. About 50 and the y, it's still greater than 40. Let's try that one more time. What the fuck? Why don't they execute this one? Y is greater than 50. Wait, think because that's the first block. So what I need to do is put this block on top there. Can I control Z? Oh shit, I can't. Basically, I'm bugged. I mean, I just fucked up my life again. What the fuck? It's 0. What? Okay, let's just go back to the basics here. So now it has the worm. Think it's better if we don't use the end here. Yeah, we just use this one. Hmm. What do we need to do here? Wait, hold on. I'm reaching some news here. Anyway, so if x, right? Oh, why don't they feature the equal sign? I mean, it would be actually pretty good to have the equal sign. Anyways, this is 80, right? What am I doing with my life? So yeah, just delete this shit. We don't need this. We don't need this, right? Okay, there we go. Fakra 180? Or is it? Wait, what? What command is heading? Okay, yeah, anyways, so if it doesn't have the worm, so it's not greater than 80 because it's totally equal to 80. That's just, what? It's seriously still that's the, no, let's remove this, that, this down. There we go. It gave me, yeah, anyways, so it's gonna head 180. Oh shit, okay. So now it's not, the x-axis is not, it's no longer greater than 75, so it terminates, right? So we're gonna set that to 20. Right, just give me a minute here, okay, guys? Lol. Streaming. Yeah, cause someone is trying to chat, but yeah, I really need to stream though. Uh, okay, I'm streaming. Okay, I'm streaming. Okay, give me a minute, dude. Anyways, yeah. Oh, hello, hi, Ian Duco. Uh, huh? Yeah. Anyways, going back to the fucking program. Now X is, as long as X is, no. Is will this do? I think this will run. Yeah, so it will stop here, right? So we can add, I think it's better to just add another fucking if else there. And then if it doesn't have the worm, it will head downwards. Downwards, that one, 270. Maybe by this time it will now have the worm. Get it? It will now have the worm. And there we go. So I think it's better if we create another if else. Another if else that would do something. What would be the great? I think Y. Yeah, we just need to put the dock at this location again. So else if y is less than 60, yeah, that's value 60. 60, you're just gonna go up. Now watch it go. Okay. Okay, now there we go. Actually, I mean we're a bit off with it, right? Because it should be a little bit higher. Yeah, I know. 65, at least 65. That will do. So the next thing that we want to do is when the dock reaches this point, we want it to go to this point. And I think what is the value of this point? At least 60. So I think it's better to add another else if. Oh God, well, yeah, I don't usually do this when I'm doing a program. I mean, having a lot of if else else if choo 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 choo. I usually put them in an array and then loop through that and put some if else and boom, there you have it. You're the only one who can read your code, and the other motherfuckers in your team that you hate will no longer read your code because you hate them. So why would you make a code that they could read, right? They should suffer. Anyway, so let's. I think we're the x-axis is gonna be our basis again right here. So else if x-axis, the dock is gonna be at this point. So if while or is it if the I mean if the dock is not at this point, it will continue to go right. Yeah. So x is less than that. That's 60, right? It would continue to go right. Yeah, let's see it fly. Because, when in programming, you just have to test and test until your program is somewhat perfect. Oh God, look at that piece of shit. Anyways, so what would we do here? I think this would be a great moment to add the end if here, right? Because now that we are evaluating the x, we should also evaluate the y. We're gonna do that because when we reach this position, it's gonna evaluate this one also, both returns true, right? Because x is less than 60, and then x is greater than 20, so that both of them will evaluate as true. That's why it's like the program is like, what which if which if condition would I follow here? I don't know. I might just keep switching and piece of the programmer. Yeah, that's what programming actually tells you. When your program doesn't work, it's telling you to you're a fucking idiot. No, I'm just joking, of course. Fuck programming. Anyways, so if x is less than 60, right? Right? That's true. And y is less than 50. But y would reach at a point of, I think this is, what do you think? 70 or 65? I don't know. Let's try 65 here. Okay, now that's good. Huh. So this if block right here doesn't run because I think one of these condition is returning false. Well, x is less than 60, that is true, so that would return true. Y is less than 65. I think that's the part where it would return false. Because it's not less than 65, but it's equal to 65. I mean, that's what I think because what I did put here is y is less than 65, then it will go up until it would be greater than 65. So if that's the case, we can just, I think the value of the y would be around 66 now, because like I said, on this if block right here, if y is less than 65, then it would keep heading up. So this would trigger false if it will reach 65 or more, right? So just to be safe, 66. Well, yeah, I don't want to use the and conditions again to the other if conditions, because I want to make it simple as fuck. So it's triggering both conditions again. Do you think yeah, I think so. If that's the case, I think I mean using the end right here is needed, right? So we need to evaluate the y also. Y. Huh, 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 huh. So if the y, because this is around 80 or equal to 80, right? Wait, give me another minute. So I think the y, what would be the good value of y? That's 20. I mean, I want to get the current position of this duck. Oh wait, the y is greater than 60. Let's try that one. Come on, bird. I mean duck. Wait, a duck is a bird, right? Yeah. What? It's still triggering this one, the first one. Why? Hmm. So it will head up when the value of y is 60 is less than 65. But we just set this to 60 and be done with it. So, and y is greater than 60. Yeah, let's try that one. Y is less than 66. I mean, as okay, okay, that's good. Now that's good, right? We're almost there. We just need to for the duck to go there. But I don't know if you watched a while back that we had an error in using the else. Anyways, let's just try the else again. Hopefully we finish it by this time. I mean this time. We finish it this time. Okay, there we go. But I'm still thinking, I mean we might have an error here. Yeah, I fucking knew it. So the only one triggering is where is it? It's turning around actually. Ah, this is the one triggering. Cause x is greater than 20, which is true. Y is greater than 60. What? Why? Oh, yeah, that is still true. That is still motherfucking true. Yeah, that is still true because it is said right here that if y is less than 16, then it will go up. So why don't we put something like 59? Let's try it. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Duck, duck. What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? Are you high, dude, duck? Anyways, yeah, I think we should also add an end here. And yeah, I think y should be in the first parameter, and then we'll need to put x. So what we just need to remember is what's the placing of x? I think that's 20, right? That's 20. Is it greater? What the fudge? Okay, okay, wait, hold on. Uh, and then I think less than would still be good, and then that will be 21. Run program, because we needed to terminate itself. Okay. Ooh, ooh. There we go, boys and girls. I don't know who the fuck is watching. Anyways, yeah, so it does produce a JavaScript code, but I would like to repeat myself, okay? This JavaScript code right here, if you copy paste it and run in whatever IDE you have or editor or whatever you call it, it will not run, okay? This JavaScript would not run immediately because as you can already see, this heading then parenthesis 180 is a function, and if you just copy paste this code without creating the heading function, then the error would be unknown function or unknown word. Yeah, so the aim of this game, and I would like to repeat on it again because I need to stress this out, is the aim of this game is just to give you an idea or to just give you like a heads up on what to expect in programming. Yeah, so yeah, like I said in my intro, this game is for young programmers who wants to start in programming or aspiring programmers because it will crack your brain and might you might have like I don't know, brain damage or whatever. Well, I'm not trying to insult anyone here, okay? But that was a joke. Anyways, let's go to the final level and call the fucking hospital. Cause what the fuck is this problem? So, anyways, first things first. We need to get the X. Okay, we just left the end there. We need the end. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not actually sure if I'm gonna push this to like a 2 hour stream. I'm not sure, but depends on you guys. If you still want to watch, then just write it in chat. So, anyways, the current position of this duck is on 2020. So 21. Oh God, 21. Right there. You're gonna head just upwards. Yeah, that's upwards. Yeah, just upwards. Oh God. Oh God. I think I made a mistake. So the y-axis needs to be on the 80. The x can just stay the same. Our aim is just to put, I mean, for the duck to go there on the up. I mean, think I think it's better to maximize, right? So I put it on 80. Else if once the duck is there, yeah, once the duck is there, he can go fuck himself. No, I'm just joking. So the x, I think the x can still, I mean, so the x, if it is less than 80, and then the y is, what's the y? Is what would return true? 80. Oh, oh no, we forgot to add an action. here. So yeah, there we go. Run. Oh yeah, this is our error. I think that would be greater than yeah. So greater than 79 at least. Cause yeah, I'm not still sure if you did that. I mean the y would the y be equal to 80 or I don't know. Yeah, what I'm seeing is this one. Y is less than 80. If you put it to a sense, I mean, what would be the value of y if that's the case, right? Would it be exact 80 or more, right? So there are a lot of possibilities, but I'm guessing it might be 80. Oh. So another if block below if block does not have the worm, yeah, until the duck doesn't have the worm, go down, and that would go down, right? So yeah, another if else if another else if get the y and the x-axis, because getting the y and the x-axis would give you precision. Yep, there we go. So the x-axis, given the case is, what would be the x-axis? What would be the x-axis, right? So I think that would be 79. The y-axis. Oh no 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 no! Yeah, I think that is still correct. The x-axis can still the same. The y-axis needs to be changed. So 80, 80 or 79. No, this should be 79. What you would do is head upwards. That's right. That's right. Most likely would we would already get the worm. Yeah. Okay, so this will not execute if x is less than 79. True. Oh, this level is extremely difficult. Would you like to skip it and go on to the next game? You can always come back later. What do you think of me? I'm a pussy. Anyways, yeah, so the heading is correct. And y is less than 79. What is the value of y here? Sure. Right, 78. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And it's still not going up. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, what's the value of? Hmm. Head to 0 and then. Oh, oh. I think the only thing that we need to see here is the value of x, right? We just need to match if x is, let's go with greater than and then 60. Yeah, but most likely we can already get the worm, no problem about that. We just needed to go back. Okay, okay, now it went back. That is good. That is very motherfucking good. So it is greater than 60. Let's just be safe here and put 75. Now another else if, of course. And then there we go. So another else if, put the end there, create the x. Create the y. What do you think would be the great value there? I mean, a great value there, right? Y. We need to base it on our y-axis. Y is greater than greater than 79, and I mean we're just like copying this one and pasting it here. I mean they're like alike. You get it? You get it? Yeah, I think you get it. So x is greater than, what's the value of x? I don't get it. Oh shit. No, no, no. Let's try to copy this one, okay? 75. What you're gonna do is you're gonna head left 180 degrees. There we go. Get the worm. Go up. Oh god. It's stuck between two if values. This one. Less than 80. Less than 80. Holy shit. Uh, so it's triggering two events. X is greater than, hmm. So what's this? Wait, what? So it's triggering both two events, right? When it reaches the top, so it triggers, yeah, both, because x is less than 80. Head 0. That would be the right. I mean, going to the right. We need to rely on the y-axis if this is the case. So, gonna need to change the y-axis here. If it is greater than 20. Let's try to see if this will work. Still triggering both events. Huh. Less than 60. Greater than 60. That would be, would still be the same. Yeah, because y greater than 79, true. Y greater than 20, that is still true. I need to change the x-axis. I need to change the x-axis because this will get all values less than 80. How about we change it greater than 79? I think this wouldn't change anything. Yep, I knew it. Hmm. Less than 80. That's the previous value, right? Huh. How about we put this on top? You get what I mean, right? Like putting this else block first. But I think we just fucked up. Anyways, like that one. That one. Okay. What bullshit. Yeah, we just need to properly set the computation. Let's just do a quick restart. Huh. But that at 90 degrees. Else if else if else if else if oh god, how do you do this? No, no, let's just try it like a single manner first. No, y would be a great here. So if y is greater than y is greater than 80, if that is true, then just head 0. Nope. So still nope. Hmm. Wait, so that will still run. What if we put it to exact 20? So let's try to run that again, okay? Okay, so it's no longer running because x is really not great, is not less than 20. Right, so because yeah, the value of x is 21. Yeah, that's correct. Oh shit, the bird died. That's not our fault. It's the duck's fault for being too stupid. Anyways, okay. So we need another if else, right? Else if I mean. So else if the x is already on the maximum, which is oh god. I think what the fuck is this shit? Okay. Less than 80. No, 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 no. We should be looking more on the greater than value because we need to stop the dock, right? So if that's the case, just go down. Yeah, so as you can see, we're no longer using that does not have worm. But let's just do this real quick. Hey, duck, you stupid ass motherfucker. Hmm. Mhm. Think I get it. We need to use end here. The Y should be the one at first. I think we're just replaying what we did a while back. But anyways, the X, as long as it is less than 79, right? That would be good. It's gonna head. Oh, okay. Long is so it will stop there. Reset, run program, and then we'll go down. Okay, no. So less than 79. Let's just go with 80. Why are we not going with 80 there? Add 0, okay. Okay, there we go. So it will now die at that point. Yeah, I think it would still be the same. I mean, does not have worm is actually pretty. I mean, it's much better than using that kind of shit. There we go. I mean, can we actually add an else and then add an else if inside that else? Yeah, I thought so. We can't. We can just add else if. So if that's the case, else if, what's the position of the bird now? That is greater than? Greater than, no, less than, I think that would be 80. And y, what would be the y? Uh, greater than 40. Shucks, I don't know if this would work though. We need it to go up again. Yeah, I think we're just replaying what we did a while back, right? Yeah, it's not executing. So x is less than 80. Less than 80. Less than 80 and y is greater than 40. Wouldn't that return true? X is less than 80. X is less than 80. Why am I saying it again and again? X is less than 80. And y is greater than 40. Huh. Uh-huh. What the fuck? X is less than 80. That's because X is equal to 80, right? Assuming that that is correct. So there we go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Another else if for that piece of shit. So this would execute. I think it's actually best to keep using the end there. Oh god, this is very boring. Yeah, but whatever. We'll finish this game and then call it a day. And we just need to rename it. No, I think it's actually pretty good. I think this would be my stream. I mean, starting now. Aside from playing League of Legends, right? Okay. It's gonna keep on heading 90. What we need to do is we need to add some X and Y coordinates again to stop the bird when it reaches a certain point. So when the bird is greater than 80 and Y, I think the Y can still remain the same, right? 40. These were, oh shucks, no. Forgot to add this one. Heading, what? So it didn't execute. I mean, can I even do something about that? Y is greater than, put 41 there, run program again. What? Still didn't execute that one. Huh. This would, what's this? Heading 90. Go up if x is less than 81. 81? Why would you go 81? Just 80, right? And then y is greater than 40. Oh, cause it. Oh, that's the x-axis, right? I forgot. Oh, so we're not. I mean, we're supposed to changing the y-axis. Oh God. So if it is greater than e, the y-axis would need to stop at 80. Yeah, we really have to finish this puzzle now. Like this day. What? Oh, okay, so this doesn't execute. Right, right, right. Are we gonna have some problem? I don't know if it's gonna be a double. I mean, there would be a conflict here. Once it reaches top. Wow, it still doesn't stop. And 9. That is upwards. Okay. So greater than, yeah, less than 81 also. Let's try that one. What? Still won't execute this one. What's the value of x? That's what I'm trying to think here. Huh. X is less than 81. Yeah. I'll try to see. Okay. Y is less than 80. So it's not gonna sell. I okay, I think we need it to trigger itself once it's greater than 80, right? Hopefully it works. Still keep heading 90 degrees because it says here. Yeah, okay, I get it. It will still keep going up because in the second parameter, y is greater than 40. Yeah, which is true. Y is still greater than 40, and this one, I think we can set it to y is less than 50. Hopefully this does work. God, I'm getting frustrated. Uh, get the worm. It doesn't go up anymore because I think it's not in 50. I mean, y, the y is not great. So is it at 60? Less than 60? Hopefully this works. Okay, so it stops at. Wait. So if we set that to 80, I think this would already work. Try that one. But I think we're gonna have conflict. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now it reaches the top. Y is less than equal. I mean, yeah, and then because if it's less than e, just try and try. Less than 81. What the fuck is the value of x? That's what I don't know, and I don't know how to see the value of x. I need the value of x so I know what number to put in here. Anyways, we're just gonna keep guessing and guessing and guessing. Okay, so now it's having conflict on heading 0. What if we delete this one first, right? That one there. Huh. Now it will not do any good that kind of action. It will do something and will even have a conflict. That's kind of bull. Anyway, so Anyways, God, how do you use the x? Of course, the n. I mean, using the n condition, you're gonna need the x and the y, right? So the x and the y is we can do the in between, right? Right. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Hehe. Let's do this. If y is less than 81 and y is greater than in the range of yeah, that would be much more better. An x and an x, a y and a y. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean later. So y is greater than what great value then? Less than 79. So this is a y, it's an x and an this is another y and a y, another y and a y. There's the bullshit that will occur. Right, this would just be an x and x would work. An x and an x. Hopefully this does work. It's greater than 20. So it's not a 20. I think it's 20, right? Okay, so x is less than 8. What? Supposed to trigger. X is less than 20. Oh god, this is very fucking hard. Yeah, if I'm not able to solve this by the 2 hour mark of my stream, I think we'll call it a day. Greater than less than. Should be right. Metric. Fuck. X is so is it like because this has more sen, so that would not work, right? I think we're just missing out on proper values here. Okay. Uh. Okay. Okay. Y and the Y that doesn't work. Need a precise location of our X. So everything's gonna rely on correct computation right now, which actually kinda sucks because programming you should be able to produce more than one solution. But anyways, hmm, should we? Let's try to execute the commands. I mean the commands for the bird to return first, right? Wait, what? Okay. So that would be in the last part also. This one. What? What? What's zero? That one. Ah, fuck you. There we go. What the fuck? So that does not have worm would execute first. Or we can just change the does not have worm and bullshit things happen right there. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh god. Fuck it. Hmm. Yeah, it doesn't fucking run, of course. Let's try to see this one, okay? If I mean, would Y already be okay? Y is greater than Y is greater than 10, at least 10. Nah, 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 nah. Let's put it to a less value, 21. That would be much more better. Head up, fucker. Okay, I need you to go to 80. That would be good. So the next command is you're gonna, I mean, the x value, if it is less than 80, fuck, 80, what you're gonna do is head 0. Okay, that's good. Next thing that we want to do, if does not have worm, head downwards. Yeah, you're gonna head downwards. Now with that, I mean, the duck already has Wait, is it actually a duck? Why does the duck eat the fucking worm, right? So if so we have an x here, x less than 60. Fuck, can we go instruction by instruction instead? Let's try that one, right? Okay, so if so the next instruction is if x is less than 80 again, less than 80, you're gonna go up again. Yeah. So this is actually redundancy right here. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Does not have the worm. So we need to use the end right here now. And then the y would be less than 81. What kind of bullshit is this? The last time it's working, but right now it's not. What the fuck? Head zero. What? Y is. So what? I need a bullshit right here. So does not have the worm. Hmm. Yeah, I really need a fucking end condition here. So if y is less than that motherfucking number, and then x is less than 21, there we go. Gonna go down. It has the worm. Now let's do it with that one. Okay, now it doesn't work right. 81. Okay. Okay, now it stops at that line. Fuck, I never knew that it would take this very long. I mean, I couldn't even finish it like right now. So else if I think of course we would need to use another end here. That I think for this is for the x value. If it is less than 81. Less than 81. Y is less than 81. Think that would be good. fuck. Less than 81, so I think that would be 82 now, right? Because it's less than 81, so the value could be 81 itself. Yeah. Wait, we should be concentrating actually on the y value. Faster. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm getting frustrated already. Anyway, so the error is this one. I mean, I really have to use the fucking. Uh, X is less than 80, so it would travel along there, and then the y would be less than 81, heading 0, right there. That's correct. And there we go. Yay, we actually made it quite far now. Else, it's not triggering anything, so I think we can just put else there, right? Hopefully. Ah, well, this is it, guys. Wow, we're hopefully it will work this time. Because if it does work this time, and then we just finish the bird challenge. Okay, the if is kinda useless. We're gonna go with the else if. With the else if right there. Head to 70. Just need a proper calculation, and then we'll be good to go. So if it becomes less than 21 and the y-axis is less than 82, then head down. Please, God, make this work. Make this work. Okay. What? Still didn't enter this criteria. Less than 21. I don't get it. If x is less than 21 and the y is, I think this would be 83 now, right? Run program. Yep. Wait, what? Why? Oh god, fuck this. Let's just keep raising this y value. Not sure, just to be safe, just put 85 there. Cause I don't know what the fuck is the value of x and y here. So yeah, I really have to keep guessing. Actually, the maze is pretty. I mean, the maze challenge, the puzzle there. Okay, okay, okay. Keeps heading on 180. I mean, it keeps heading on 180 because it has no stopper. What if x is like greater than 20, and then it would stop here, right? Oh god, I thought I'm gonna finish it there, but fuck no. It would stop at 20, and then bullshit. Why would you do that? Wow, I'm getting frustrated. Can only one add one action to that. Yeah, so less than 80. X is greater than 20. X is gonna be greater than 20. Yeah, that is correct. So it would stop at 19. Now it would execute this because it is less than. Let's do this. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? My god, I'm getting frustrated. And the dogs won't keep won't stop barking. What the fuck? Okay, so um huh. What's this? Like y x is less than 80. Fucking hell, I swear to god. This game is breaking my spirit. Is it like this a while back? What is zero? Oh, okay, to the right. So I think here does not have the worm. Head to 70. 90 will go up. Yeah, I think so we just lost the other part of the program. Wow, what the fuck is this bullshit? That's 270. Oh, that's the one that will go down. Delete that shit. Why did I delete that shit? Anyways, there we go. There we go. There. Oh, great. The fucking bird is having a seizure. Hmm. Head 180. Head 0. Oh, we don't have the instruction to head upwards, right? Head 270. So it will go down now. Head to the right. Head to the right. What? Why would you head to the fucking right? Where's the instruction that you would head to the top? Okay, so in the x-axis is good. Think that this would be good, right? Okay. Okay, now we have the program. I mean the progress. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. It what? It stopped there. Why is it stopping there? It's supposed to make me more frustrated, but it stopped there. It stopped there. Holy shit! It stopped there. But we're gonna have some conflicts here again with regards to the condition. Not unless we specify the x, like very specify the x, right? But it stopped there. So less than, if it is greater than 20, so I think less than 20 and less than 82. What's the location of the y now? That is still on 82. What it will do is heading downwards. Let's try it. Fuck you, fucking duck, if you don't fucking finish this. Fuck you. Yeah, anyways, it did the job. It did its job, giving me more frustration. Holy shit. This give me likes for being frustrated. Uh, Less than 20. Greater than 20. I think you are 21. Okay, we shall run it again. Fucking programs. Wow, now it will execute the other condition. Why? There's no reason. The fuck? There's no fucking reason for that to trigger, because before I even put this condition right here, it's not even triggering that condition. It stops here. It stops here. Hmm. Y is less than 81.
Hmm. So the only thing I need is to change some values here, most especially in this one, right? I don't know. I'm so very fucking frustrated right now. Hmm. Yep, I'm running out of ideas. Anyways, we did have it move here. I mean, it stops there, but whenever I put another condition, it would have a conflict here. X is greater than 80. That would even return as false, right? It would return as false. I mean, oh, less than 80, then greater than 81. But if we change this to 79, change that to 80. Okay, so now it's having a conflict there, here. Less than 81. Hmm. Hmm. Something about 79, I guess. Because I really don't know the fucking value. Yeah, let's just finish this one and we can call it a day. Okay, it's still having a conflict. I think it's because of the x value. Less than 81, less than 22. Yeah, that's totally bad. You need to present it like, I think this is very fucking bad. Huh. What if we say, is it actually in the x value or the y value? Greater than 79, less than 81, x is less than 81. Yeah, x is less than 22. Less than 82, greater than 20. Will that work? So it stops there. X is greater than 22. X is greater than 22. So, I mean, does this even work? I'm not sure. If X is greater than 18, then this is equal greater than 22. Wait, they're both greater than. Holy shit. Because I'm not even sure if this even works. Ah, if we did put else, that wouldn't still work. Because I don't know why it doesn't work, but I'll show you. There. Yay, bullshit again. Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. Anyway, so this is the value that we need to change. What will this do? Go up. Well, we don't necessarily need it to be less than. We can set it to greater than, and then set the value to 80, right? Why is it triggering that one? 79. The fuck? See that shit? Ay, 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 ay. Just give me a little bit more time here. What the fuck? Yay, it's still going back. Fucking hell, it's still going back. I'm losing my patience. So it's going back here, then going back here, 180, and then going back to 0, right? What if? What if? What if we don't go to a straighter line? You get what I mean? We don't go to a straight line because if we keep doing a straight line, I think we just really need to have the right value here. Oh no, not this one. Was it this one? Wait, what? It's 210? What? The fuck? It's supposed to be zero, you fucking dumb bitch. Yeah, there we go. So when it reaches this point, it will have like yeah, we'll go back here and then go back here. You just really need the correct value. Because if x is less than 80, then anything below 80 will run here. I mean, wait, what? I'm still using the fucking y here, okay. And then the y should be, it should have different values. Less than 80, 83. Run that shit. And there we go. Still nothing works. I mean, does it even blink? Yeah, it does blink, but it keeps going back there. Does that mean this is invalid? We need to set it like, oh shit, this is less than 80. Can we set it as greater than 79? I don't know. We just keep guessing until we get it right. Okay, we're gonna have a conflict there because it will not match this one. Okay, so because x is greater than 21, x is still at 21 at this point, go 22, run the program again. Bullshit. Uh, do this, I think the y value. God, Blockly, why don't you have the fucking values printed here? So I don't have to waste my fucking time guessing the right fucking value. Cause for fuck's sake, I could have finished. I mean, I could have saved a lot of time. Anyways, without the whining part, so x is less than 21, right? So if that's the case, I don't know. Let's just do 20, because for sure our y is 80. And then let me guess another conflict. I don't know why. 19. Another Oh wait, was it a conflict? Oh my god. I'm so frustrated. I just want to end this fucking game. Anyway, so we have it there.
What kind of bullshit is this? Does not have the worms, so greater than. Yeah, okay, we can change this one to this one and set it as x if for x that is less than, I don't know, is that 80? And then the y would be less than 80, it would head down. Okay, now I remember why this x is equal to something 80. So it would stop here, and bullshit, it still won't work. Okay. Uh-huh. If x is less than 80 and y is less than, I don't know what the fuck is the value of y. Just set it like that. Anyways, I think fuck, really have to do this, huh? Yeah. So if that's the case that I am using this as my limiter, that's why 80, and then yeah, that one. Because if that's the case that I'm using this as the limit where this bird will go, then I need it, right? You can just set this to a much lower value. Huh. I think we can set this to 78. Well, we can actually set it to much lesser value, which can be 60, 61, 61, and then stop that already, pissing me off. Set it to 300. Okay, so it's by 0. Okay, so what we need to change is does not have worm. The limit of the y can still be changed, right? To something like 75. Yeah, let's just do a minimum. Okay, so that dies there. So we need it by 315. That's back. We can back by 135. What the fuck are you shitting on? X is not greater than 79. X would be greater than 60. And then Y would be, yeah, totally less than 80. I mean, then this one. That, that's safe. Still go back there, of course, for the Y. Let's control it to
Yeah, totally 75.
this can be 75, right? When this would be, let's try it. Let's not have worm. Heading back. It's the there. Wow. Okay. Huh. Hmm. So greater than 60, right? Min doesn't have worm. Heading would be here. And what's this? Heading 135. Oh, so this would be the one that will go up here. And then, yeah, we're just backtracking on where it would go. So let's test it again. There we go. Huh? Stop. Everything is less than 75. What the fuck is happening? So this doesn't run itself anymore. Okay, there we go. 135 goes here. Why does it go there? Greater than 60, less than 61. Right? Okay. So 133, 1. Okay, so it goes to pick up the worm. It goes back. Doesn't run this anymore because x is greater than 21. How about, yeah, why doesn't it run it anymore though? Could this be, can this be 70? Yeah, this can be 70. Oh no, it can't. Let's make that 8. One 80. So it doesn't execute itself anymore. After that one, so this x, if it is less than 25, and y is 80, fuck you, head down. Okay, so it will now enter the infinite loop again because y is less than 8, y is less than 75.
About y is greater than 74. If this still doesn't work, we can try to remove the y value and use the x value. Yeah, let's try the x value only, and if that still doesn't work, we're gonna have to do some reforms again. I'm not sure because we from here we can already set the bird to fly down, right? That's that. Uh, Still considering that one. Can I even just consider the y? What the fuck? Good thing they can. Good thing they feature a fucking control Z. Cause if they don't, I'ma be very frustrated. Anyway, so yeah, that's done. Now it will, yeah, just fly around like a fucking retarded motherfucking shit. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah, because without this one, the other criteria, it won't actually work. So we have here less than 20 about setting it to 40, right? Set that to 40, set that to 40, and then the down will go, the bird will go down from there. Yeah, this is actually much more smooth than the other. I put the y2 at 80 level. Well, ain't this a motherfucker? So it still goes to that one. Head 0. Now we need the x. Like, we need this actually. We needed this x value to set the limit where it would go down. But for this kind, because yeah, this actually takes all the x and the y that is less than. So everything would fall down here. Not unless we clone it and then, you know, yeah, let's try to clone it. Hopefully the command will not go down here, right? And hopefully it will read this one first. Okay, that's good. Please do run this. Why are you still gonna go back there when there is this one? Because it's the first command. Yeah. So you get what I mean when this will train your mind to, you know, like this is a good introduction for you guys if you wanna train yourself in programming. Yeah, you can see how logic really works here. Yeah, let's just try a little bit more. And if you really can't do it, then just call it a day, right? So, anyways, this is less than 60. Why is this at 80 though? Yeah, because anything that is less than these values right here, I mean, yeah, any value. So this will run no matter what, actually. Heading 0, it just needs to go to the right, right? X is greater than 60. That's the limit. That's why I need it. I mean less than, yeah, totally less than. Because if I didn't put this here, if I didn't put this here, it would just go forward and forward, right? Not unless. But anyways, I think I'm gonna call this a day, guys, because I'm not confident that I would be able to finish it in today's stream. But no worries, guys. Tomorrow no, I'll you know I'll I'll finish it tomorrow for sure in tomorrow's stream. No doubt about that. I mean, don't doubt me on that because I will motherfucking find you. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you the other games again, and yeah, we'll call it a day because I'm actually pretty sleepy. Yeah, there's no League of Legends gameplay for now, but fuck, we still have 245 challenges to finish. We finished the maze, we finished the puzzle. This bird is actually pretty fucking challenging. But yeah, see how challenging it goes, right? As we move forward, the puzzle was kind of a bit easy. The maze was, yeah, it was already challenging. But this bird, my god, this bird. But I'm already thinking of other solutions. No worries about it. I'm just really too tired, and I don't want to frustrate myself a little bit more. Yeah, cause I actually set a new schedule for my stream now, and I might stream only in, I don't know, maybe afternoon schedules. The fuck is that? Please wear a fucking decent shirt, motherfucker. Anyways, yeah, my stream would be afternoon in PH time, maybe 1 o'clock to 1 o'clock onwards. But first, my first stream would always be a coding lesson or programming lesson or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to build something, but for now, I'm concentrate on these challenges because it's really breaking my brain. Yeah, but guys, please do. Well, I don't know. I don't actually ask you for you guys to follow me, but yeah, I don't actually care. So you might think, so what are you doing here in Twitch, right? What's the use? Yeah, I only do live because it's actually a very good therapy for me, and I needed to level up my, I don't know, speaking shit and self-esteem. Oh my god, I sound like a fucking whore. Yeah, but here are the details, guys, and yeah, I keep posting it anyways. Yeah, please do whatever. And that ends our stream for today, guys. Thank you for watching. My god, we almost reached 3 hours. Anyways, good night. Bye.